So this is pound yen analysis for Tuesday, 7th of August. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've seen this continued sell side momentum here to the downside on the pound against the yen. More recently we've come down towards this 144. We've run into a bit of a consolidation here on the pound yen. So from this consolidation around this 144, we'll see whether we do get a counter trend bounce towards that 44.36. After a test of 44.36, we'll see if it does hold as resistance. If not, we're then looking for movement to that 44.78, and if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside beyond 44.78, we're looking for a movement towards this 45.11 here on the pound against the yen. If, however, we do see this continued breakdown in prices, we're looking for a move down towards this 143.78. Successful break from which possibly looking for a move down towards its 43.19, and if we do see sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 43.19, possibly looking at that a 42.80 here on the pound against the yen, if we are to see that continuation to the downside. Now to the upside, I suppose there is a possibility of trading beyond the 45.11. We suppose we should be aware of the 45.50 previous scenario, which acted as a support, more recently acted as resistance. So that is, there remains a possibility of encountering resistance around that 45.50, and beyond that I'd expect the very far end of the range to be around that 146. Now let's just have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. Let's get on here correct. So on this daily chart, more recently we've had our highs, we have a lower high, we've had strong continuation here to the downside. Candles are notable due to their open to close range, closing near their very lows, which is somewhat bearish. We've had pretty strong sell side momentum here to the downside. The very next level of note is of course at 43.78, which pretty much was our lows here before we did see this move to the upside. And failing that, the very next most notable low is that 43.19 here on the pound against the yen more recently. And again, we did see a strong bullish bounce from that level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. I suppose we do have a bit of a what could be termed a bit of a head and shoulders pattern here, which is somewhat bearish. It's already in play on the pound against the yen, which if in this case, if we do break below say that 43.78 and continue beyond the 43.19, may see a move down towards that 140 here on the pound against the yen. But yeah, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.